Faves, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Back to basics. It's a brand new day, and everybody is heading out to go about their business. Dropping Sarah to school this morning, dropping Tara to school this morning. Woke up this morning and the workout just never happened, you guys. The workout couldn't reach. I was so tired. And I see that babe was so tired too, and I say, you know what, honey child, back into my bed. There goes my alarm to get myself together to leave this house. Tyler, come and say good morning to the faves. What is wrong with you, child?
Because I want to say it in different language.
This is funny.
I wanted to say hello in different
Come say hello to faves. Say morning, faves.
Say bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Hi guys.
Tell faves I'm going to
school.
So see you later.
I want to tell you something, Faith. In this house right now, today is the day of the French.
It's the day of the French.
Yes.
What does that mean?
That means everybody speaks
Okay, but I
French.
need to have a good day.
That means everybody speaks French.
Okay.
That's why I say the Sarah not hello.
Okay. Go get your jacket. Anyway, you guys.
French today.
Ty, I'm not thinking French right now. He's so funny. Now he makes me want to think French before I speak to you guys. As you guys can see, babe just left. Now it's me heading out to drop Tyler to school and then jump on the bus and drop Sarah to school.
Oh no, is it?
Then I'm gonna go to the library until Sarah's school is finished. Zip up, zip up, zip up, zip up the jacket.
It's to put, you going to the library to put books?
No, I'm not bringing them today. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out right now, so have a good day. Why my camera look like this? Have a good day, stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys at some point throughout the rest of today's vlog. Sarah, get down. Down, down. Down. Drop one. Tyler. Drop two.
Wake up. Wake up.
Oh, walk. Mama have to hold your hand.
Mama.
You guys, this is Old Town Nice. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this old town before. I think I've shown it to you many times. I am in Old Town right now. Tashika moved from where she used to live to town, like center town. In this old town is where she's living right now. So I just came to know where she's living for the first time, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm happy that she finally got to move here because it's closer to everything. It's easy access to everything, unlike where she was before. So it's kind of cool that she finally finds something in the center town. No, Sabali. Saba. So I'm actually here waiting on her to come from upstairs. She forgot something, so she had to turn back. Anyway, you guys, so this is center town, and the cool thing about where Tashika live, come downstairs and you have a restaurant, you have Glacery, that's the ice cream place. Behind me you have restaurants in every corner that you turn. It is the best location ever. You have the park right there for the kids. it's the best location here in town. So yeah, it's a beautiful location. So all of these buildings that you see to the side go all the way up our restaurants, and Tashika live in this building, the one with the orange down the bottom. That's where Tashika live, upstairs. So this is Old Town Nice, and there's a church. This building here is a church. How beautiful is that? So that's a cathedral here in town. So it's beautiful. Restaurants in every corner that you turn. Tyler will definitely love it here. Restaurants non-stop. As my little ball of energy went to school, aced it. Safe to say she's good. No crying. Pick her up. She was super happy. Now we're back home. Look at her. She'll have a good nap. She loves to pick these berries and throw them on the floor, ground, and step on them. Look at her. What's she gonna do? Because she knows she's not supposed to put them in her mouth. It's so windy today. Look at the palm trees. My gosh. So windy. I haven't seen it this windy in a long time. Come on, let's go. No more berries. Finish. Go home. Bravo. Finish. Go home. Go. Come. Finish. Go home. Sarah, no. You guys, I have been home pretty much busy since I got back from school with Sarah. I felt myself going like this when I was editing at some point. But I've been home and picked up Tyler from school and done all that. It's way in the evening right now. It's after 6 p.m. and I am in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam. As I picked up Tyler, he told me that he wants ashi parmentier. That is what is it called? Oh jeez, I keep forgetting the name of this thing. It's what is it called in British again? Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting what is it called. It's potato with the
pizza.
It's not, no, it's potatoes.
Potatoes,
good job. When I remember the name, I keep forgetting the name of this thing. When I remember the name, I'll tell you guys what it is. Though it's Monday and would normally have Sunday Monday, the fact that he requests that when I picked him up and I have it, I say, you know what, why not? So that's what they're gonna have for dinner. And I have creamy spinach left over from yesterday, so they're gonna have that. I just put it in the oven for 45 minutes. If you guys had watched the supermarket haul 2 weeks ago, you would have seen it. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I don't remember what it's called in English, honestly.
What?
Something potato. Oh. Irish. Oh. I can't remember. It's such a shame that I can't remember. But anyway, it's called ashi parmentier in English, in French. So that's what we're gonna have.
4, 3, 2, 1.
For the adults, we're gonna have it with salad, and for the kids, they're gonna have it with cream spinach. You hungry?
0.
Oh! You tell Faves they went to school and no crying. Look, say no crying.
0.
0. Good job. Tell Faves no crying.
I'm crying.
Big girl. Say big girl. Say big girl. Say big girl.
Yay, letters.
She watching letters. Yay, letters. All I'm here talking to you guys, I'm still thinking about what this is called. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Shepherd's pie.
Hey.
Shepherd's pie. Hey! I know you guys love that video. With my extra. Leave it before you break it. Go down. Dinner soon be ready, okay? Anyway, so shepherd's pie and creamy spinach for my babies. I remember I told you guys that Sarah hated damn creamy spinach. She love it now. Once she see it in her plate, she go for it first. Yes, soon get chicken. She love a chicken. Stop jumping in the couch and sit, please. So that's the shepherd's pie from the supermarket, from the frozen section. That's Tyler's plate, and that's Sarah's plate. Dinner for my babies. So I finally changed my mind to a salad for myself for dinner because my mind just changed from the shepherd's pie. So this is what dinner is looking like for me. I have a little piece of the shepherd's pie here, just a taste, but that's what I feel for. Pick up paper, lying on the ground. Pack up your toys. Pack up. Sarah, pack up your toys. Tyler, help motivate her to pack up. Pack up. Help Ty to pack up. Sarah, pack up. Pack up. Very good. Keep going. Put in all of the toys in the basket. Do some more. Yes. Good job. All of them. Pack up. Pack up. Give me the socks. Okay, now go pack up. Go pack up. Pack up. Pack up.
Yes, we are in the bed.
I look like a walking dead.
This beautiful lady is about to fall asleep, and it's earlier than usually. It's just after 11. It's early. Just after 11 p.m.
Baby, just hurry up and end the vlog. Let me close my eyes, please.
So, when you had a good day?
A very productive day. Can you tell by my eyes?
A very productive day. She wake up early, walk out.
No, I didn't work out today. What a wicked man. Why are you lying?
Make breakfast for the entire family. Prepare the kid. Bring every kids to school. And
that I did do.
Then she studied a lot. Went back for some.
Not a lot, but I did a little. Yeah, hot mess.
But well, she had a productive day and I had a productive day. So yeah, it was a good day. I hope you all also had a good day and enjoying your day, taking care of yourself. And
you want to sleep today? Your eyes?
If you like this video, give that
thumbs up.
Don't forget to
subscribe and comment down below.
And
catch friend, keep up with the camera. We'll see you tomorrow.